sa hai ko kwa kwa la ke Ahu ala phane ka to pa Dai ba su ko me Ka chi lo ta la ka ni ki la Dai ba su ko me Katilo talakani kila Nata he no la no asta he Nasuge lo kapwa komuni Pala ata ukwa no mani Yasipa jala tata we all Daima Sukome Dachilo Talakani Mila Daima Sukome Dachilo Talakani Mila
Kepada mo soski wa tanto takik to kesini jonalo jadi begitu nak suruh kau apa ni kau pun ni siapa atau orang yang kita dah le tak tahu pun kau apa tapi kau mah saya kau kau dah dari tak le tak lo ini jadi kalau tak kena lewat tak kalau pada masa kita orang datang dan bisa kita dapat pasang tiga tahun.
Amen. Okay, begin Pastor Dola Terarino. Thank you, Pastor Bruno. So we've come to the place where we will be able to say our last goodbye until the Lord comes to resurrect His Son, Mongtar. And we're grateful that the Lord gave him 50 years of life on this earth, a productive life. He ended up in Rochester, New York, and the Lord knows how or why he was brought from a land far away to die here. He was born on the other side of the world, but the Lord is allowing him to rest until the resurrection in this place. In the meantime, I would like for us to remember what the 23rd Psalm has to say.